Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Craftmaster water heater parts is probably one of the most essential components in maintaining a consistently warm and comfortable home, especially during those chilly months when a reliable hot water supply is not just a luxury but a necessity. When your water heater starts showing signs of wear and tear, or if you're looking to upgrade its performance and efficiency, finding the right replacement parts can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. We're here to guide you through the process, ensuring you get the most durable and effective components to keep your system running smoothly for years to come. Number 5. EWH-01 Electric Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. Restore your water heater's performance with our comprehensive tune-up kit. It includes everything you need to get your system running efficiently again. This kit features two powerful 4500W 240V copper heating elements. They are designed for durability with a special chromed coating for extended life. Maintain the perfect water temperature with the included upper and lower thermostats. These TOD-style thermostats offer reliable and precise control for your system. Designed to fit most major brands and models of water heaters with dual elements, including Rheem, A.O. Smith, Whirlpool, and many more. It's a versatile solution for your needs. We stand by the quality of our product. This tune-up kit comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. These are essential replacement parts that ensure your water heater operates at its best. They are designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. What we like. This tune-up kit comes with everything you need for a complete overhaul. It includes two thermostats and two powerful copper heating elements, ensuring your water heater runs efficiently. If you're looking to perform a full maintenance or replace worn-out parts on a dual-element water heater, this kit is an excellent choice for its comprehensive contents and broad compatibility. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the specified model, ensuring seamless installation and operation. Craftmaster parts are known for their durability and long-lasting performance, making them a reliable choice for water heater maintenance. The design of the replacement part is an exact match to the original, which simplifies the repair process and guarantees compatibility. Number 4. Honeywell 400 Series Electronic Gas Control Valve. Discover the advanced capabilities of the Honeywell 400 series. This electronic gas control valve is designed for precision and reliability in your systems. Experience unparalleled accuracy in managing gas flow. Its electronic nature ensures consistent performance, adapting seamlessly to your operational needs. Built to last, this valve offers exceptional durability. You can depend on its robust construction for long-term, trouble-free operation. Integrating this control valve into your existing setup is straightforward. Its design prioritizes ease of installation and compatibility. Upgrade your system with this state-of-the-art component. It's engineered to enhance overall efficiency and safety. Trust in the quality that comes with the Honeywell name. This product embodies their commitment to excellence and innovation in control technology. What we like. This electronic gas control valve offers precise temperature regulation for your gas water heater. It's a reliable component from a trusted brand, ensuring consistent hot water supply. If you are experiencing issues with inconsistent water temperature or need a dependable replacement for your gas water heater's control valve, this is the part you should consider. What people say. The Craftmaster Water Heater Parts are known for their durability and long-lasting performance. Customers often praise the precise fit of these parts, ensuring easy installation and optimal function. The design of Craftmaster parts focuses on efficiency, contributing to better energy consumption for your water heater. Number 3. Camco 4500W 240V Screw-In Foldback Water Heater Element. Introducing a universal screw-in heating element designed for most replacement needs. It's engineered to reduce lime buildup, especially in hard water areas. This element delivers a robust 4,500 watts of power from your 240-volt appliance. Experience efficient heating for your hot water needs. Featuring a carbon steel bushing and a foldback style copper tubing, this unit is built to last. It fits tanks with a minimum diameter of 13 inches. Designed to fit a vast range of popular water heater models from leading brands. Check our compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your system. This replacement part is UL listed for safety in the US and Canada. It also comes with a convenient 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Designed for longevity, this low-watt density heating element is ideal for areas with hard water. Its special construction helps to minimize lime deposit buildup, extending the life of the element. If you have hard water and are looking for a durable replacement that can withstand mineral deposits, this is the element for you. What people say. The product works as advertised. The design is sleek and modern. It features a new energy-saving mode. Number 2. Camco 2000W 120V Screw-in Water Heater Element, 02203. Experience efficient water heating with this powerful element. Its high-watt density design ensures quick and reliable performance for your needs. Designed for broad compatibility, this element fits most water heater models. It's a versatile replacement solution for various brands and types. Built with a robust steel bushing and a copper sheath, this element is made to last. It includes a gasket for a secure and reliable installation. The convenient screw-in design makes installation straightforward. Simply replace your old element with this efficient and effective unit. Rest assured with its UL listing for US and Canada, and a 5-year limited warranty. This product offers peace of mind and dependable quality. What we like. This high-watt density heating element provides powerful and efficient heating for your water heater. With a 5-year limited warranty, it offers peace of mind and long-term reliability. If you need a robust heating solution for a 120V system and prioritize a long warranty period, this element is a great option. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for my old Craftmaster water heater. It was easy to install and works great. This part fixed my water heater and it is now working like new. Number 1. Camco 1500W Water Heater Element. Experience efficient and reliable heating for your water. This element is designed for optimal performance, ensuring hot water whenever you need it. With a robust 120V and 5500W power rating, it heats water quickly and effectively. You can count on consistent temperature and ample hot water supply. Your safety is paramount. This product is UL listed, meeting rigorous safety standards for your peace of mind. Designed for convenience, installation is straightforward and hassle-free. You can have it up and running in no time. This element is specifically engineered to fit tanks with a minimum diameter of 10 inches. It ensures a secure and proper fit for optimal function. What we like. This low-watt density heating element is designed for straightforward installation and efficient operation. It's a reliable choice for maintaining your water heater's performance. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and easy-to-install replacement for a 120V water heater, especially if you prefer the benefits of low-watt density, this element is a solid pick. What people say. This part was a perfect fit for my Craftmaster water heater. The installation was straightforward and the part functions as expected. It's a durable replacement part that has restored my water heater's performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.